Hey, this was an uphill battle for this homeowner. It took more than 4 months to get the insurance company to pay for this roof replacement. They were originally offered somewhere around $3,000 for repair work. From our efforts and the efforts of a third party, Shane Sosa, this homeowner saved north of $35,000 for a complete roof replacement on this house. Everything was justified. Today we're out here in Alamo Heights in San Antonio, Texas, doing a full roof replacement on this property. Hey, are you having roofing issues? You want similar results? Let us come out, take a look at the roof, see if you have qualifying damage. Click or call roxroofing.com.